Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Studios RP. Today I got a request in game on how to add weapons to job classes. Figured, you know what, might as well just make it. I have nothing else better to do. So I'm actually on Classy RP. Right now, join the server if you want. Really nice server here with the staff. Sorry if there's any lag. Haven't really loaded the server too much, but anyways, real nice server. I suggest you join it. Alright, so if you wanna add weapons into jobs, you wanna go into DarkRP custom things, which if you don't know how to get here, refer to my previous video. I'm not doing it again in order to save some time. And you want to go to jobs.lua. Okay, so when you're in jobs.lua, once it opens, you'll see a few things, which you guys can't see it right now. Alright. I don't want to pull it over too far. I don't want to give away too much information, so let's say you want to add in something to thief. Alright. Okay. So I'm not sure if you're watching this, who suggested this, you should probably know who you are. I'm not sure if this is what you mean, but I'm gonna make it anyways. So you paste it into your editor, and you see that all this is in here. Now, this is lockpick keys in pocket. Well, what you want to do, actually, is first of all, your first problem is you want to make sure these, I believe, you want to make sure these are like this. Alright, you want to make sure that they're like that. Yeah, see, that was your first problem. You need to make sure that they have, they need to be in parentheses. So, you gotta make sure they're in parentheses. I don't know if there's anyone new that's watching this. I mean, I was kind of just making this to show someone how to do something, but if you're watching this, when you put weapons in, you can't just have it like this. It does not work. You need to make sure it's in, not parentheses, quotes. So, for example, let's go into the server. And I know you probably already know how to do this, but just in case, let's see here. Now let's pick a good handgun. Raging Bull. Not a bad gun, right? Yeah. Oops. You want to copy to clipboard, like I just did. See right there, you right click. You can probably see me right clicking, and then you copy it to clipboard. Now what you want to do is you want to, right after this, slash, you want to add that in there. Now, you want to make sure you have the quotes, alright? And another problem I found with the weapons right here is you can't have this parenthesis, or not the parenthesis, the dash after it. This doesn't work, which I noticed that with that breaks it. You want to make sure that on your last weapon you add in, you want to make sure it's blank. Just leave it just like how it is right here. Alright? Now, I'm going to check the rest of this code real quick. Seems to look good. Category. You really should have a category. I could tell you three categories. There's civil protection. There, which don't put a space in between civil and protection. There's citizen, and there's other. Now don't leave this blank. I would make it citizen, because I mean it's a thief. If it was citizen, then it would be in. There would be a category called citizen instead of just a bunch of random stuff. I'll show you how to set up categories in another video. I'll also make sure they're set up all correctly and stuff for the server, just to inform you about that. So I hope you learned something. If so, please leave a comment and tell me if you learned something or not. Alright? And anyone else who is watching this that is not the person that I created this video for, make sure you join DarkRP. Alright? Just type DarkRP into the DarkRP server list, and it should pop right up. I'll probably be playing on it for a little while, so if you want to create, or not create, if you want to meet me, then join DarkRP, and you'll have one hell of a chance to meet me. If you can't get in for some reason, because you can't download the map or something, I'll show you where to get that. Hang on, give me a second, I'll show you where to get it. Alright, so you want to go to Community Workshop. Then when you get to the workshop, you want to go to Gary's Mod. Then when you go to Gary's Mod, you want to click on this drop down arrow, and you want to go to Map, and then you want to click on Roleplay, and type in RP Downtown exactly like that. Go to page 3, and it is this one right here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 9th one down, it probably will change because maps get uploaded every day. But it is RP Downtown V4CV3 by ROQJ. So make sure you get that map and you will be set. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. This is actually an extra video, so there's still 3 more videos coming out this week.